Can you replace one window at a time? Maybe a couple windows at a time? Or should you do the whole house?
Desert King Windows, we knock out the weather.
Our sales guys get the question all the time. I just want to do a couple of windows at a time. Totally fine. We do it all the time. Somebody does half the house one year and then wait for the tax return the next year and do the rest of the house. But can you get away with just doing a few, maybe the hot side of the house? No, that's not gonna work. There's another video that I have out there that talks about energy efficiency and what it means to do the entire house. All right, check that one out real quick. That'll answer that question, but I'm gonna go a little bit further with this. If you wanna do it for budget reasons, where we wanna do a couple of windows at a time and as we go kind of a thing, my recommendation would be to stick to at least 4 at a time, because that's kind of the sweet spot for when the labor of the job makes a lot more sense. Because if we were to send out a crew to do just one window, you gotta think that crew goes out there, multiple people, there's the drive time involved, there's getting all the equipment set up and everything, whether it's for one window or if it's for 20 windows, it's the same equipment that needs to be set up. So that first window may take about 3-4 hours to do. Every window after that may only take an hour. So the more windows you do at a time, the less it actually costs per window for labor reasons. The other part of it is energy efficiency for the house. Yeah, if you do the hot side of the house, that's gonna make the biggest difference if you're only gonna do some of them. Another thing about doing only so many windows at a time is the touch-up painting. No matter what anybody tells you, there's gonna be some touch-up painting involved, and that's just a fact. I mean, this is a major renovation to your house. Well, we all know that you can't buy 10-year-old faded paint. So the problem with that is you get one side of your house done in direct sun, you paint that, guess what? A year or two later, may not be the same color as the paint on the new side of the house. So you have to keep that in mind as well. And most people, the reason why they want to do only so many at a time is for budget reasons. Well, we offer a lot of different financing options, and a lot of it is no interest loans. So we can do a 18 months no interest. Periodically, we get from one of our finance companies a special to do a 24 months no interest. It gives you flexibility, and that entire time, you're saving on energy efficiency. You're saving on your energy bills. I mean, we see everywhere from 20 to 50% reduction on the heating and cooling portion of utility bills. Other things that you can try to figure out is, and we'll help you, if you're in one of our markets, we'll help you, rebates. A lot of power companies give some rebates for windows. Sometimes there are government tax credits that are involved. Another way to save some money on is periodically there are manufacturer sales, or there are sales by companies. Typically, you're gonna get the best deals at the end of the quarters, all right? So that means what, March? That means, let's see here, April, May, June, July, August, September, and of course, December. Those are all great months to purchase windows because you typically will get some really good deals. Home shows, trade shows, that's where you can get a lot of really good specials as well. So visit home shows. We love to announce when we're gonna be at a home show. It's a great time to come out and check out the windows. Instead of having us out at your house right away, come see us at one of our home shows. We'll have a lot on display, a lot more than we can bring to a house. So come on by and check that. Of course, we also have our showroom. If you want to see any of our windows, move the windows, see how they operate, learn a little bit more, we have showrooms in all of our markets. So choosing new windows can be overwhelming, but our free Windows Buyer's Guide makes it simple. No overcomplicated jargon, just facts to help you decide with confidence. And don't forget to get 3 bids. And if we're in your area, add Desert King Windows to your list. You'll be glad you did.
We use the best windows, 'cause nothing works better. Desert King Windows, we knock out the weather.